You may have seen on our website or heard from one of our salespeople that we use market value pricing at Honda West. I'd like to explain what that actually means. Market value pricing is Honda West's way of selling you a used vehicle at the lowest possible price with no haggling, no uncertainty, and no hassle to you. Using a unique computer software program, Honda West can determine what every other advertised used vehicle in Canada is selling for. Once we determine that, we simply price our vehicle to be one of the lowest priced vehicles in our market. We know that you're going to do the internet research yourself, so why not just cut to the chase? You get a great vehicle at the lowest possible price, and we sell a car. The best thing is, we don't have to spend hours haggling back and forth. And just because our price is the lowest doesn't mean that we've skimped in other areas. All used cars at Honda West go through a thorough mechanical inspection and are reconditioned to Honda Canada certified standards, whether they're a Honda or not. We then back them up with a minimum of a 3-month, 6,000-kilometer powertrain warranty and a 7-day exchange policy. We will also provide you with a detailed CarProof report, which will give you the history of the vehicle in detail. Market value pricing, it's really that simple.